Greetings, and welcome, my beautiful goddesses. Welcome to the She Returns to Herself podcast. I am your host and coach, Z.A. Siobhan, and on this midweek check-in mindset reset, I wanted to talk to you all about the new moon in Leo that is coming tomorrow, July 24th. At the time of this recording, it is July the 23rd. And the message for us to reset on this Wednesday is regarding making sure that we're setting our intentions for what we would like to see for the next 28 days, right? Leo is a fire sign, and if you're a Leo, Lord bless you, because you have double energy coming in for you right now. We had we still going through it, the Mercury retrograde that was started on the 17th/18th of July, and it was also in Leo. So we got some things that are going on with us and our Leo family, and if you have any placements in Leo as well, you might want to check your natal birth chart regarding any placements that you have in Leo besides your sun sign. Make sure that you also know your moon sign, because your moon sign is just as important as your sun sign, and as well as your Venus, because that tells you how you love and how you desire to be loved, right? So those are important things to know. But going into this new moon in Leo is an energy of that fire and desire, like Earth, Wind, and Fire say. It's about the knowing of me, making sure that I'm setting the intentions that everything is going to be well and good for myself, right? I always reiterate making sure that we're talking or speaking life over ourselves and to ourselves, right? So I have a few suggestions to help us reset and get ready for this new moon in Leo, to call in that energy into us even more, right? So you can tomorrow night have a candle with your intentions as you set for what you would like to call in to yourself. As always, I always suggest that you write what you would like to release during this time as well, because the moon energy it dictates how we, our emotions, right? Which is energy and motion, and it states that we should want to or desire to want to increase anything in our life that we would like to see more, whether that's finance, love itself, self-love, self-respect, and releasing of those things that are no longer serving us for our highest good, right? So during that time, you will have your candle lit, and you will be appreciating your intentions. And I have a course that's coming out, right? And one of the things that I did was a Reiki heart chakra meditation, and it has me so open right now. So if you feel that energy, love, go on and receive it. So just making sure that we are doing the things that we need to do for ourselves, and it is a necessity to make sure that we are standing in our high vibrations as much as possible, making sure that we love on ourselves each and every day, making sure that we are staying in tune with ourselves. So that's just some of the suggestions that I have for you to call in this new moon energy. And if that's not your thing, baby, take what resonates and leave what doesn't. But I always say, the more that I know, the better I am, more self-aware about myself, the more I am able to be present in my now moment, Not in my past moment, not in my past moment, but in my now moment, right? So that's what I have for this midweek reset is reclaiming our power always, but especially during a new moon energy. For my sisters who are with it, make sure that you put out your moon water with your crystals and recharge your crystals, and make sure that you are just awakening into the best now version of you that you are, right? You might be called to do some journaling, making sure that you write down things just to be able to go back and read and see the growth of what it means for you on this journey that we call life, and also this journey of returning to herself, right? So that's what I have for you all today. If you enjoy this type of content, please make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. Right? I greatly, greatly appreciate love you for that. And if nobody told you today, let me be the first to say that you are loved, you are lovable, and you are beautiful. Many blessings.